In this video, we use Cramer's rule to solve a 3x3 system of equations. It's done basically the same way as you would do a 2x2 system. So this is your general setup. Again, now we have three sets of equations and to find x, note how the first column is replaced with the constants. They go in there. When you solve y, this is the y position, so they go into the y position. Everything else stays the same though. These don't change. Okay, and so when we solve z, they go into the last column, and the first two columns don't change. And again, we divide by det A. So let's look at this example. Now for your determinant, we need to calculate that first. So let's write it out. Now make sure we have x together, y together, and z together when you do this. So the first one, let's use straight line to represent determinant. So we've got 1, 1, 4, 2, minus 3, minus 1. And the last one, minus 4, 2, 2. And then we copy down the first two columns, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4, 2. Okay, so calculate that like the previous video. You should get the value minus 36. Okay, I won't do it all to save time. So let's get your determinant of that coefficient matrix first. That's it. Okay, so doing Cramer's rule, we'll end up with the constants going in first. 7 minus 24, 8. Then we write in the other two rows. So that's going to be 1 minus 3, 2, 4 minus 1, 2. And we can put in the minus 36 there as well. So calculate your determinant now. So let's just write those down again. 7 minus 24, 8, 1 minus 3, 2, just as in the previous video. When you calculate that value, you're going to get minus 84 divided by minus 36. And that will give you 7 on 3. So some values could be fractions, so they won't be easy to guess. Okay, now do the same for y. So keep your values the same for that one, 1, 2, 4. Now replace 7 minus 24, 8. And then the next one, 4 minus 1, 2. Again, the first determinant, minus 36. So copy 1, 2, 4, 7 minus 24, 8. Calculate your determinant. You should get minus 360 divided by minus 36. And that will give you 10 for the y value. And when you do that again for z, just repeat the same procedure. You should get minus 4 on 3 when you do z. Okay, so those are your three solutions. So x is 7 on 3, y is 10, and z is minus 4 on 3. Okay, so try the questions in the worksheet, see how they go.